Hidden in a quiet alley of Trần lies one of District 2's best-kept secrets, Bánh Xèo Ba Híu. It's the kind of humble, family-run stall you could easily miss if you didn't know what to look for. But for those who do, this is where you'll find one of the district's crispiest, most satisfying bánh xèo, Vietnam's famous sizzling pancakes. From the street, Ba Híu looks simple and unpretentious. A faded green gate opens into a small courtyard lined with motorbikes. The hand-painted signboard says it all. Nothing fancy, just honest food made the traditional way. Step inside and you'll find a cozy, no-frills dining space. Blue plastic chairs, metal tables, and a few good luck charms hanging on the walls. Here, under the tin awning, you'll see locals chatting softly, delivery riders waiting on their bikes, and the occasional breeze drifting through the alley. It's unhurried, familiar, and unmistakably Saigon. It's not a polished restaurant, it feels more like eating in someone's home. The kitchen sits at the back, semi-open so you can glimpse each pancake being made from scratch. The ladle of batter, the swirl on the pan, and that unmistakable crackle that means something good is coming. A sign above the counter proudly reads, Rau Darasach, the vegetables have been washed. It's a small but thoughtful assurance of hygiene that regulars always appreciate. Ba Híu is very much a family affair. Everyone helps out, the parents in the kitchen, the adult children serving food, and someone always ready with a smile. Service is usually quick and friendly, though during busy hours, patience helps. Every pancake is cooked fresh to order. Ordering is easy. There's an English menu and the family can speak basic English to help you choose. Just order what you like, they'll bring it to your table, and you pay after your meal. Now, the star of the show, bánh xèo. The pancake arrives hot and golden, edges curl and crisp, with that gentle aroma of coconut milk and turmeric. The batter is thin and airy, so when your spoon cuts through, it gives a soft, satisfying crackle. Inside, the filling is a balance of small shrimp, tender pork, and crunchy bean sprout, lightly stir-fried to keep their texture and sweetness. I ordered the Ba Híu House Special, a mix of everything, simple but beautifully done. Alongside comes a generous basket of herbs, lettuce, perilla, mint, and rice paper for wrapping. This is where the fun begins. You take a piece of pancake, add herbs and greens, wrap it all up, and dip it into the nok cham, a fish sauce blend with chili, garlic, and shredded pickled carrot. The sauce ties it all together. Sweet, tangy, and just the right amount of heat. It balances the richness of the crepe perfectly. That harmony of crisp pancake, fresh herbs, and bright dipping sauce is the taste of southern Vietnam in one bite. Prices here are easy on the wallet, around 52,000 dong for a mixed protein pancake, or roughly $2. For the quality and freshness, it's excellent value. Bánh Xèo Ba Híu may not look like much from the outside, but it delivers everything that makes Saigon street food unforgettable. Flavor, authenticity, and heart. The food is good, the family genuinely kind, and the atmosphere quietly timeless. If you're exploring District 2 and want a true taste of local life, skip the modern cafes for one night and come here instead. It's the kind of meal that stays with you, crispy, fragrant, and full of soul.